another new video. How you guys doing? First video of the year. Got the Evo warm up. Get the first car meet tonight. So sorry for the whole delay of content. Been working, busy, trying to keep focused on the grind, you know. Stay on the grind, stay focused. Just busy working, bro. But car's still here. Got the wing back on, as you guys can see. But I got invited out to a car meet tonight, so I'm gonna bring the car out and hang out with the guys and finally get back with the content flow. It's been dry. This is literally the first car meet I've been to in forever, bro. So it's just very, very boring in Jacksonville, and I have a car-based channel. So, but I do have another video I'm working on recently. I have bought for this car a new steering wheel, a Momo Carlo steering wheel. So I'm gonna get that video going whenever I get the hub adapter to ship out from JD Customs. So whenever that arrives for the steering hub, I'll get that video finished up and upload that whenever that arrives, or the install video for the steering wheel. So yeah, no talking, let it warm up, hit the road. Get some gas, but yeah, man, just everything's been going good. Just busy with work, and car meets haven't been just frequent anymore. So it's the first one in a long time, but yeah, man, busy with work, living life, you know. Trying to take a little break from the car stuff and just focus on other things. But you guys like me on Instagram, you guys know I post a lot about the car still, updates and everything. So got this first new little change coming soon with the Momo Carlo wheels. So that's the first mod I'm doing of the new year. Should be a good little night. Nice and cool out too, so perfect hangout weather. Car's been good. We did a new TPS sensor with a new harness in the previous video that I'm still working on until the new steering wheel adapter hub gets here. So there's a lot going on. Slow motion, but hey, better than no motion. So nice to see that behind the camera for once. And the fun stuff, got the wing back on. Other than that, car's been good besides my paint, but it's 03, so it's a given. Not really an issue with me, but it happens to older cars, you know. Yeah, she's kicking and grooving still. My main focus is keeping the motor up, just up with maintenance, all that. I don't really care for the roof stuff, but she's been good to me, man. She's been good. All right, hit the road.
A few inches later.
All right. It's been a minute, so we can look and see. I gotta find the guys. Don't know where they're at, but my body. might cut the audio because copyright, but that should be alright. I ain't finna get Blue Beauty though. Huh? A little Type R, bro?
No.
Huh? You see one there? The Type R? What's up? Nice. Right hand drive. You excuse me? I know what I can. Excuse me? Got a boosted BRZ. Goals one day. That's goals one day, bro. I might have the worst lighting, but that's 2000. Type R crowd over here. Type R crowd.
Hey, my wheels are
Gonna do a little walking around. That's beautiful. Goals one day too. C7 Z06. Had the worst lighting right now, so I can't really tell. So my bad, guys. It's just bad. But for y'all, do a little loop. Doing a little loop. I see Hellcat over there in the corner. Car so clean. So clean. Flashbacks of my car. My first car, same color and everything. Not as clean, but Jeep over there. So far, it's a chill event. Cops are being cool. This is what a nice event it should be. Peaceful. No crazy stuff going on. Just chilling and vibing.
Josh, look at the time.
Having a good time.
Doesn't he have a nice car?
Got a nice MK5 over here. TEs. Nice. That's sick. That is sick. About to call my dad. Oh, bro, look at your car slammed. 460. Oh, that's sick. All right, meet. Everybody's heading out. Get a little turnout. So see you guys in the next video. Never do the install video for the Mama Carlo wheel. Until then, stay safe. Peace.